me, Sarah. I'm back to share this journal with you. I made this one, and I was all tickled and happy about doing this journal, and I made some mistakes in it. So this one's gonna be mine. I'm just gonna use it for my February journal. So, absolutely love the cover. I used a die cut from Tim Holtz, and I just made a window, and I used a avocado glassine bag for the window part, and then I put a piece of the kit from ArtyMaze in there, and then I used 3 eyelets on the front and the back, and it just ties shut with all 3 of them. On the side here, I just did a ribbon with some brads through there, just to give it some like the rivet look. And then I used this fabric on the side there. Let's see if you can see it. And I just had a small piece of it, so I used that on the spine. And then I have some cheesecloth peeking out the back, or at the bottom and the top. And so you just go through and tie these all. Untie these. And I did the tidbits on all the edges as well. And this opens up kind of hard because it's been a while since I did this. But there is, I was trying to do a different technique with the hollow binding, and I didn't do a very good job, so that's why I'm keeping it for me.
Stop recording button.
So I used this paper inside, and I attached it to some cardstock with the window being on the back. I didn't want it to be really weak, and this is part of the kit. Then pretty sure that's a pocket. And then I have some tidbits right here. This opens up for journaling. I have a bag. Just more or less a lot of journaling space. And another pocket. My other signature. That's another, I think it's a top pocket. And then I got the tidbits on the side there. And this is just the envelope with the tidbits on top. Another pocket here, and I think that's a double pocket. Some more tidbits on the side, and another envelope, more tidbits up on top of that. Yeah, this just does not lay very well. I mean, it's just, yeah. So, I guess when we learn what we do, and, you know, it's a bonus, we get to keep it for ourselves, because sometimes we don't take the time to do it for ourselves. So, it's good enough for me to use. And it turned out really super cute. I think I glued that. Yep. And so I'm not going to waste it. I'll use it. And we all make mistakes, right? Right. Little pocket here. And I just sewed all these little scraps together. And then I just put some washi on it. But yeah, this is pretty plain. I didn't even add anything to it because if I'm using it for myself, I'll gradually just add whatever I need to it. But it turned out super cute. I just wish I wouldn't have messed up with that binding, but mistake become my treasure, so it is what it is, and I just absolutely love this kit from ArtyMaze, so go check out her shop. I will link that down below. So this is just like a bonus project for my design team. I'm going to actually try to do her nature walk, I think it is. That's going to be my next one for this month, and hopefully I can throw in a bonus one because I've been late on both of her videos the last two times for her design team, and I really feel bad. Just life gets in the way, and you really don't have any choice but to do what you gotta do and then get back on track. So, anywho, I'm done rambling. And, I hope you guys enjoyed both my journals, and I hopefully will be back soon. Hopefully, I can get my health issues straightened out here very soon, and then yeah. So I will see when I see ya later.